Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of minced beef noodles. I served it for lunch along with palada pal payasam. Take 500 grams of noodles. With this measurement, 4 adults can have it. Break the noodles slightly with the hands like this. Take enough quantity of water in a pot to cook the noodles. Add in salt as needed. Add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil so that the noodles doesn't stick to each other while cooking. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have added turmeric powder so that it gives nice color to the noodles. Once the water boils, add in the noodles. It took nearly 10 minutes for me to cook the noodles. Make sure not to overcook the noodles. I used to normally taste the noodles and know whether it is cooked or not. The noodles is cooked perfectly and now it's time to strain it. This pot is very useful to cook pastas, rice or noodles. I can strain it with the lid. Once strained, add in cold water and strain it again. To the cooked noodles, add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil and mix well. By doing so, the noodles wouldn't stick to each other. Next, I am going to prepare the beef masala in an Indian style. Take 7 garlic, 2 green chilies and a small piece of ginger. Add in 1 teaspoon of fennel seed. Grind it into a coarse paste. If you want more spicy means you can add 3 green chili. Ginger garlic green chili paste is ready now. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a pan. Add in the grinded masala mix. Saute it until the raw smell goes off. Add in 2 sliced onions. If the onion is quite big size means you can add 1. Add in 2 small size chopped tomatoes. Make sure to use quite large size pan to make this noodles. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chicken masala powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute it nicely until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Add in 1 teaspoon of water so that the masala powders doesn't burn. Now add in 300 grams of minced beef. Saute it nicely until it changes color. Add in salt as needed. In goes 2 cups of water to cook the beef. At this point of time, you can pressure cook the minced beef for 3 to 4 whistles to reduce the cooking time. Well, I have decided to cook the beef in this pan. Cover it and cook the beef for 40 minutes. Once the beef is almost cooked, add in 1 cup of frozen green peas. Actually, after 30 minutes of cooking the beef, I have added the green peas. Cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes. Now add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. In goes 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. This is kind of Indo-Chinese version noodles. I am also preparing palada pal payasam. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. The beef and the frozen green peas are cooked perfectly. Now add in 1 sliced carrot and half a capsicum. Cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure not to overcook the veggies. Once the veggies are cooked, add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Minced beef masala is ready now. It should be of little gravy consistency so that it coats the noodles well. Add in water if needed to reach this consistency. Finally, add in the cooked noodles. Since we have rinsed the noodles in water as well as coated with oil, it didn't stick to each other. Mix the noodles gently with the help of 2 spoons. Make sure not to break the noodles. You can use minced mutton instead of beef. That also tastes really good. Delicious Indian style minced beef noodles is ready now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Palada pal payasam has turned out really well and I'll share this recipe soon. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.